list of truckers, people who own trucking businesses, and anybody that could be specializing in long hauling, because we have a list of people that are being requested to find people that actually are in freight and trucking. So to find people that are owners of freight and trucking cargo businesses or rigs, we can go off and go to business. And in advance, I looked up the NAICS code for trucking, and these were the 6 codes I got: 484110, 484121, 484122, so on and so forth. And when I look these up, I see that I have 69,679 business owners with their cell phones that own a trucking company. Now, if I wanted this list, I can click my buy save list, type in the amount I want. I want 15,000 trucking company owners, buy save list. And now I just got that list of 15,000 trucking businesses emailed to me. And if you wanted to pre-build the list so you didn't have to keep on setting up those codes, you can go over to Marketplace. You can go over to Custom Lists, add custom list, click on B2B, just like before, do the search, just like you did on the dashboard. And now, as if you're naming the list, you can name it truckers. Make sure you click Get Count in Advance, click Create List, and now this list will appear nice and saved in your Find Your Audience tab. If you want to get 100 free leads, click the link and sign up on the free account, and you'll be able to get 100 free leads every single month, no cost to you. Not a free trial. You don't have to worry about unsubscribing because you're going to get charged. Free account, 100 free leads a day. Thank you.